This is another interesting hybrid ROM which combines the beauty of HyperOS interface with added features. To make this even more interesting, we are flashing this ROM via OrangeFox recovery. Welcome to Hyperdot ROM.
The Virax TV.
Before anything else, make sure you already have the OrangeFox recovery. If not, flash it first by following our guide in another video. As you can see here, we have the stock HyperOS Global ROM. To start with, connect your device to your computer. Don't forget to enable the file transfer mode option. Now copy the Hyperdot flashable ROM to your device. After copying the flashable ROM to the internal storage of our Poco F6, let's proceed by powering off the device and reboot to OrangeFox recovery by holding power button and volume up button simultaneously. Here we can see the flashable file we just copied earlier. Now let's select it and swipe to install. Also, don't forget to mark the checkbox if you wish to reflash the OrangeFox recovery after installing the ROM. Once flashing is done, simply reboot to system. Here you go. We have successfully installed the Hyperdot ROM. Here's a quick preview of the ROM.